In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your AirPods is stuck on blinking white light. Now, if your AirPods is stuck on blinking white light, first of all, just plug in your AirPods into charge. Now just charge your AirPods for a couple of minutes because it might be out of charge and this is why you might be facing this issue. But if your AirPods are not out of charge, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to settings on your iPhone and from here just tap on Bluetooth. Now just tap on the icon in front of your AirPods name and select forget this device. Tap on forget device. Now after you've done that, now for the next step, just double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. Now as you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and this is the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking, which indicates that you have done a factory reset on your AirPods. Now if you're using the AirPods Pro or any other AirPod which have a button at the back of the AirPod, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, just open the lid of your AirPods, then just press and hold on the button at the back of the AirPod. Now just keep doing that until this LED turns into orange. After the LED turns into orange, now just keep pressing and holding the button at the back of the AirPod until the LED turns from orange to white. And after you've done that, then this indicates that you have done a factory reset on that type of AirPods. Now the next step is just close the lid of your AirPods. Now on your iPhone, just perform a force restart. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart process is completed, then just open the lid of your AirPods. Now just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And just tap on connect and complete the pairing process. And this is how you can fix if your AirPods are stuck on blinking white light. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.